Radio 2 listeners were left worrying about Zoe Ball as she skipped most of her breakfast show on April 4, 2022. Here's what happened as the popular presenter handed over her show to travel reporter Richie Anderson. 1. Zoe Ball poses following a performance of Cabaret at the Kit Kat Club on December 9, 2021 in London, England.Credit, Getty. Why isn't Zoe Ball on Radio 2 this morning? Zoe left her BBC Radio 2 show early on April 4 after feeling unwell. She arrived 25 minutes late to her morning slot, and claimed it was because of a flat tire. However, listeners soon revealed their concern as she appeared to stumble when reading out the Radio 2 WhatsApp number. After less than half an hour on air, Zoe disappeared during a song, and it was announced that she had gone home feeling unwell. Travel presenter Richie took over the rest of the breakfast show. When is Zoe Ball back? Radio 2 is yet to confirm when she will be back hosting her show. She is also yet to comment on anything. As soon as there is an update, we will let you know. Who is Zoe Ball's replacement? Travel presenter Richie Anderson started the show while waiting for Zoe to arrive. At 6:30 a.m. he told listeners, "Sorry if I've given you the shock of your life. Quite obviously, I am not Zoe Ball. It is me, Richie Anderson, hello, and I have some news to share. They've finally given me the Radio 2 breakfast show. Hurrah! It's what we've always wanted. This is for us." He added that Zoe was on her way after getting a flat tire, and joked that he hadn't let the air out of them. After Zoe left during a song at 7:47 a.m., Anderson took over the show once more and explained what happened. Guest Nick Grimshaw, who was booked to talk about his new Channel 4 series, was dropped due to Zoe's absence. Anderson continued to host the program until morning presenter Ken Bruce began his show an hour earlier than usual at 8:30 a.m. Richie is a well-known TV and radio personality who works for the BBC. Between August 2015 and March 2020, he hosted a program on BBC WM, where he began his radio career. He is a former Sunday League footballer who played for Coombswood FC. He currently presents the travel reports on weekday mornings on BBC Radio 2. And took part in Richard Osman's House of Games in March 2022.